Drumbeam is really special because it can be used in a vast variety of setups. You can use it in an acoustic drum set, you can use it in your home studio, on your studio desk, and also as a touring musician in electronic live sets, for example.
So that it's such a small device that I can take anywhere with me, but I don't have to make too many sacrifices in the playability and the usability.
We focused on high build quality. Drumbeam features a full metal enclosure and a drumming surface with good playability and really good rebound.
The sensor, which is a unique thing as well because it senses the position very precisely.
And with the app that we developed, you are really free to build the drumming interface that you really like.
The LEDs are on both sides.
So you can have your own visual feedback and you can configure the feedback for the audience in another way. So it's really up to you what you can build with that instrument.
Drumbeam is designed to play it with drumsticks, but there is a so-called squeeze feature where you can just touch the surface and pitch bend a tone or choke notes. The multifunctional mount allows you to use it together with different cymbal stands, so you can use it on your desktop or also in your acoustic drum set. You can play almost any musical styles with Drumbeam, going from hard techno to ambient, jazz or rock music. There are no limits in musical style to play with Drumbeam.
Our vision for the company is to go away from keyboard, as our name really says, so Drumbeam is the first step in that direction.
Which is like the music instrument of the future.
And yeah, hopefully a lot of people will take part on this journey so we can get it to the stores next year.